The 2023 Honda ZR-V VTi X is a competitively priced SUV with several pros and cons. Pros: comfortable ride. The vehicle offers a comfortable ride, especially on poor roads, thanks to its suspension setup. Solid list of standard inclusions. It comes with a good range of standard features, ensuring you get value for your money. Punchy turbocharged engine. The 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides adequate power and performance. Cons: missing some safety kit. The base model lacks certain safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Base wheels look dorky. The standard wheels on the VTi X might not be visually appealing to everyone. No all-wheel drive option. Unlike some competitors, the ZR-V does not offer an all-wheel drive option. Pricing: the base 2023 Honda ZR-V VTi X is priced at $40,200 drive-away, making it competitive with similar models in the market. It competes with vehicles like the Kia Seltos Sport Plus, Mazda CX-5 G20 Max, Toyota Corolla Cross GXL 2WD, and Nissan Qashqai ST Plus in terms of pricing. Interior: the interior of the base ZR-V is slightly darker and lacks some premium finishes compared to higher-end models but retains good overall quality. It offers comfortable cloth seats with ample adjustment options for drivers. The cabin provides excellent storage space, including underdash and central armrest compartments. The infotainment system is modern, with clear graphics and wireless smartphone mirroring. Rear seat space is solid, with dual USB-C ports, air vents, and ISOFIX points. The boot space, however, is relatively small at 370 liters. Performance: the base ZR-V is equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 131 kilowatts of power and 240 Nm of torque, paired with a CVT. It delivers a comfortable and smooth ride, especially in city driving conditions. The turbocharged engine provides ample power, making highway driving and hill climbs confident. The CVT automatic transmission offers smooth performance and can simulate gear shifts for a more traditional driving feel. Safety: the ZR-V comes with a range of safety features, including AEB with pedestrian and cyclist detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and more. The base model lacks blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, which may be a drawback for some buyers. Higher trim levels offer additional safety features like blind spot monitoring and a surround view camera. Running costs: the ZR-V is backed by a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty. Servicing is required every 12 months or 10,000 kilometers, with the first 5 services capped at $199 each. Car experts' verdict: the base ZR-V offers comfort, reasonable space, and up-to-date technology. While it may lack some luxury features, it still provides good value for money. Buyers should consider their priorities, as the model above, VTi-L, offers more safety and convenience features for an additional cost of $3,000. In summary, the 2023 Honda ZR-V VTi X is a competitively priced SUV with a comfortable ride and a solid list of standard features, making it a compelling option for those seeking a practical and well-rounded vehicle. However, buyers should carefully weigh the additional safety and convenience features available in higher trim levels when making their decision.